How to create a reel on Facebook. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create a reel on Facebook, and this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you've opened, click on the plus icon in the upper right hand corner, and there you can simply create a reel. So let me show you again one more time. So click on the plus icon in the upper right hand corner, and then simply click on reel. When you create a reel, you can actually use a camera if you would want to. You could also add effects, music, and there's also a green screen so that your background would change, not the background that you have right there, right now. So say for example, we want to add this photo onto our reel. You just need to click on that one, and then afterwards, you can select on another photo that you would want to add. Say for example, this one. So there we also have like a clip, and then we're going to add one more photo, for instance. Okay, so there. So say for example, we all have this one. So if you want to add or replace a photo, you just need to go to the section right there, and you could also resize this one if you edit the clip. All right. So there. Okay, so let me just resize it accordingly a while ago. Let's go back. All right, so once you have edited the video, the next thing that you're going to do is to click on done, or you could also like add some audios. So there. Okay. So you can add your audio, and you could even add some voiceover right there. Now, you could also add some effects if you would want to. That's on the right hand panel. The audio, the text, the effects, the sticker section. You can find it there. All right. And then afterwards, you just need to click on next. And then after, you need to put like a description of your reel. And then you could also change who can see your reel and click on the share now button. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.